Does hemming stretchy fabrics stress you out? No worries, let's learn how to use a twin needle. Twin needles are exactly what they say they are. 2 needles side by side, and when you use them, it creates give in your hem, which is perfect for knit fabrics. To use one, you need to grab a spool pin, a second spool of thread or a bobbin with the same thread color, and the first step is we're going to take out our regular needle and we're going to replace it with the twin needle. Once you have that secured on your machine, the next step is to thread your needle exactly like you normally would your regular needle, and you're going to put it through the left eye. Next, grab your spool pin and you're going to snap it on to where your bobbin winder is. See how I'm just snapping it right on? Turn it horizontal to your machine. Load your second thread on there and secure it with a spool cap. Now, thread your machine again like you normally would, only this time you're going to skip the needle bar, which is right here above your needle. Thread it through the right eye of your twin needle and pull the threads through. Last step, make sure your needles are centered. When you go to sew, you're going to be sewing on the pretty side of the fabric, so you need to press down your hem exactly as you want it because you're going to be doing this blindly. Once you get your hem all sorted out with your iron, take it to your machine and just zip it through. Straight stitch the whole way around, y'all. You've got this. What you're left with is a nice clean finish to your knit fabrics, or you can also use this on your woven fabrics if you want to be just a little bit fancy. Now kiss your brain, you did it. Like and follow for more.